So, welcome for today's class of Chapter 1 Number Sense and Numeration. This is the lecture 2. So, today I will start with practice exercise. Okay, I will be giving you all the solution because in the previous class I have already taught you all about it. I have given all the information. So, based on that, you all have to do it. So here what is asked to you all is, what do you mean by natural numbers? Okay, option A is given as counting numbers, negative numbers, whole number, all of this or none of this. So obviously it is a counting numbers, okay. So you all have to mark it as counting numbers. Option A. Next, let us see option 2. What is the difference between smallest natural and whole numbers? Okay. So obviously it is option A. Option B, sorry. Because what is the difference between smallest natural number and whole number? So 1 minus 0 will give you 1 only. So here option B is the correct option. Now option 3 we have, third one we have, name the number indicated in the following place value chart. Okay, here place value chart is given, options are given, okay. 53,694,231,000,000 33,125. Second option is given towards you all. Okay, what is the second option? 536 trillion 142 billion 310,033,125, right? So obviously option B will be the correct option. You all can go through all these options and see, read it properly, okay? I have already taught you all about this concept, so you all should know. So next is the fourth one. Name the number indicated in the Indian place value chart as per the international system numeration. So here also the options are given towards you all, the fourth option. So here 1 trillion, okay, 1 trillion 56 billion 436 million 403,144. This one is the correct option. So here the option A is the correct option. The remaining options are behind. So let me turn the page. You all can just read these options, okay, all this. And next moving towards the fifth one. The fifth one is, name the number indicated in the international place chart as per Indian system of numeration. So here the chart is given. You all have to tick the correct option. So here what is given? 8 crore, 24 arab, 50 crore. No. This is not a correct option. You all can just read this. 80 crore, 24 arab, 51 crore, 56 lakh, 42,107. Yeah, this is the correct option. This one, okay. So you all can read all the options, but option B is the correct option. So that's why I have tick mark it, okay. Now the sixth one is, find a place value of 6 in numeral which is 545344. This number is given more than this, right? So what will be the correct option? Okay, so more than what it is? Okay, this number, right? So option C will be the correct option, okay. So I can just see C1 is the correct option. I will be giving all the solution only. Here the find a successor of the number which is equal to the product of this and this. Okay, so what will be the option? Correct option? Option C will be the correct option. Okay. Option C will be the correct option. Next is what? Steve has 3,400,000 rupees. What is the worth of his money as per Indian system of numeration? So what will be the worth if it is this much? So obviously it is option D, that is 34 lakhs. So here what is given towards you all is, in the number, this number is given to you all, what is the difference between the place value of 5? So it will be 4995. Okay, the correct option. Okay, so I will be giving you all the practice exercise. I will be giving you all the solution. You can go through it. I am okay. If you all have any doubts, you all can check, right? So find a predecessor of the number which is 454412 less than x. X is the 7-digit smallest number. So which option is the correct option? So obviously option A will be the correct answer, 545587. Next, let us see which one of the following, okay, I hope you all can see this clearly, okay. Which one of the following is the successor of the 205,376,306,005,023? So obviously option D will be the correct option. You all can go through this. Next, let us see. So next is what you all have is, name the period which is just right of the period Arab in the Indian place value chart. So obviously option C will be the correct option because here it is crores, right? In the Indian place value chart, which one of the following period has been split into 3 places? So it is option A is the correct option, once. So next, let us see when a numerical is written as per the International System of Numeration, the digit 5 is at the 10 billion place in the numerical. What will be the place of the digit if the numerical is written according to the Indian system of numeration? So obviously option B is the correct option, that is 10 Arab. Okay, next you can see all these options and everything, write down. Question number 15 is, name the number indicated in the Indian place value chart as per the international system. So you'll have to just check this chart and write down the correct option. So from this, the correct option is option C, that is 2,545,400,245,651. Okay. Just see the question, take down it properly so you all can study for your exam. Okay, next is which one of the following is the correct number of this? Okay, and plus this. All these numbers are given. So which will be the correct option? Obviously option A will be the correct option. Okay, you all can just go to this. Okay. So you can take down the 17 one. Name the number indicated in the international place value chart as per the Indian system of numeration. So this is the chart values given, and from this option B is the correct option. 36 Karab 98 Karab 40 lakh 56,450. You can take down all this option, take down this question itself better so that you all can study, right? Moving towards the next question, that is question number 18. Which one of the following is not a member of natural numbers? So obviously 0 is not a member of a natural number, right? Next, let us see, write the number 19,735,800,000 in expanded form. So in this, the option B will be the correct option. You all can just go through this. Here the continuation of the remaining options. Okay, and then moving towards question number 20. X represents the 5-digit greater number and Y represents 6-digit greatest number. Find the sum X and Y. Option D will be the correct option from this. Okay. Then 21 is, find a place value of 6 numerical which is this numbers more than this. Option A is the correct option. Moving towards the next one, that is 22. X is a natural number. When x is divided by 5, it gives the quotient 4998521. Find the successor of x. So option C is the correct option. You can take down this. Okay, next. So next is 23, that is 28084 multiplied by 391. So this is all given towards you all. In this you all have to find x, y and z, and then you all have to arrange the following in descending order. So I have already from this I have already marked the answer, that is option C is the correct option. You all can take down this. The seventh one is when 7 is multiplied by this number, we get a place value 7 in a numerical. Which one of the following place does 7 occupy in the numerical? So obviously it is 10 millions, right? Next option A is the correct option from this. Next is find the predecessor of the number, which is the product of 656 and this number. Okay, so which one is the correct option from this? So here the option A is the correct option. Okay, moving towards the next one. So from this you all can take down, write the Roman numerical, which is I hope you all can see this clearly, 565 less than 1000. Option A is the correct option. Okay. 27th one is where should C be placed in the Roman numerical? Okay, this Roman numerical, so that it will be represented as 999. So option C is correct option, left to the I. So write the Roman numerical for the number which is equal to the product of 25 and 27. So option C is the correct option. You all can just take down this question along with the options. Okay. So next is choose the invalid Roman numerical from the following. Option D is the correct option. It is the invalid Roman. So next is what? 30th one. Let us see. I hope you all can see this clearly. Using these letters 0, 1, 5, make the greater 3-digit number without representing the digit and write the Roman numerical. Option B is the correct option. Okay, you all can just see. Take down the question, mark the answers, and you all can learn them. Write the Roman numerical of the number which is 453 more than 3-digit smallish number. Option A is the correct option. Moving towards the next one, 32. Where should we place C in the numerical this such that the numerical represent 174? Option C is the correct option. Next is what we have is which one of the following Roman symbol is used for 500? Option C. Option C, C is used for this symbol 500. Okay. So next what we have is if a bar is placed over Roman numerical, by how much the value of the numerical will increase? Option C is correct option, 1000 times. Next is P is the natural number which is equal to the difference between 3-digit greater and smallest number. Write the Roman numerical for P. So option A is the correct option in this. Okay. Next is 36. Value of A, B, C is given. You all have to write the Roman numerical for this one. So option D is the correct option. So 37 is which one of the following symbols should be added to the Roman numerical MXC such that it represents 1100. So here the option B is the correct option. Next is which one of the following Roman numerical represent Hindu Arabic? I hope you all can see this clearly. Numerical which is 246 more than the sum of 549 and 400. Option C is the correct option. Next is which one of the following Roman numerical is not valid? So option D is the correct option. Okay, you can just go to this. Next is match the following. You'll have to only match. So option B is the correct option from this. So I hope you'll have understood the practice exercise, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Press the bell icon for more updates. You all can go to this exercise. You all try to do it, and then you all can check the answers which I have already given, marked and given to you all. And thanks for watching.